Hi there, in this video I will show you how to reset all apps and how to reset all app permissions at once using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out apps or app manager. Tap on it. Tap on three dots. Tap on reset app preferences. Tap reset. Since my phone's screen recording will stop if I click it, I will not do it right now, but you must click it. Clicking this will reset your all application at the same time. That's it. Thanks for watching.